Benedict, atong bayo nun sa tubig, dako na kayo. Mura doon ikaw kung bayad ha.
Ay, sorry ma!
A few moments later.
This is your last weekend as civilians, your last.
Ito ang tinatawag na snake. Snake dragon. Kung saan ang isang paa niya ay isa lang ang nakatukod.
Way to conserve water at home.
One, turn off running water when it is not needed. About 6 liters of water are wasted every minute the tap is left open. We can close the faucet when brushing our teeth and open it again when rinsing our mouth. As well as we can close the faucet while we are soaping and rubbing our hands and then open it again to rinse them. Another way is when washing the dishes. We can first soak them and then open the tap to rinse off the soap from the dishes. When washing fruits and vegetables, we can do it in a bowl of water instead of under the tap. 2. Check and fix all the leaking and broken pipes and taps. You should check your pipelines and water storage tanks to see if there are any cracks. Water can leak from these cracks and would be wasted. 3. Collect rainwater. You can make use of the rainy season to collect water to wash your vehicle. You can also use the collected water to water your plants. Conserving water at home is crucial for protecting our environment and ensuring sustainable use of this valuable resource. As Howard Zinn said, small acts, when multiplied by millions of people, can transform the world.
Balon ako. Ma! Balon ako tubig, ma! Ay naku, sakit ya!
Sige na. Video na ko.
Lord.
Sige na.
Okay na?
Mm.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Do you want to?
Katawa sa danong katawa.
Tanaw dyan ba sa kuha, guys?
Kita dyan.
Benedict! Atong... Uy! Uy, dilulong ka sa ninyo!
Video na ko?
Yeah.
Cooking show ni Chelsea.
Sa ulo na nababagang balita.
Sa ulo ni Chelsea.
Sa ulo ni Anger.
Sa ulo ni Chelsea.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, action. Ganun man na siya, eh.